Okay, this is your how to complete this video for Monday, November 30th, independent math assignment. So I'm on Google Classroom and I clicked on classwork. I found the week of November 30th through December 4th, and I'm finding the one that says Monday, November 30th, independent math assignment. If I click on it, it says to watch this video, the one that I'm doing right now that will be posted right here. Click the link and begin the assignment. Turn it in. This assignment is worth 16 points. It is due by Monday, November 30th at midnight. So here's how you complete it. So here's the link that you click on. All right, and the first thing that you're going to see is an anchor chart to help you. What you'll want to pay attention to is this part right here, which is your place value chart with the tenths, the hundredths, thousandths. Also, standard form and written form. Those are two items that you will be tested on, and we have spent 2 weeks on those two items. Standard form is the normal way that we see numbers written, and written form is the numbers written out in word form. So here's how you complete this. I think there are 7. So I will do the first one for you so you don't have to do this one. It says drag the tiles to the correct columns to determine the value of the underlined digit. When it says tiles, it means these numbers right here. So I'm looking at this decimal number. It's 5.8, and the 8 is underlined. So I have to determine what place the 5 is in. Well, I know that the 5 is a whole number. It's in the 1. So I'm going to click and drag the 5 to the 1s. And then I have decimal 8. Well, that 8 is in the tenths place. So I'm going to move the 8 right there to the tenths. So 5 and 8 tenths. But I'm not done yet. So here I have to write the underlined digit in fraction form. So this is 8 tenths. So I just click in the box, and the top number is going to be the number that is underlined. That's 8. The bottom digit, the denominator of the fraction, is the place value, tenths. Simple, 10. That's it. So what you're going to do now is you're going to complete this one the same way, 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 and this one the same way. This one is a little bit different. So I will do the first one for you. Remember, I want you to go back and use this to help you. So let me look at this one. It says 893 and 98 hundredths. The 9 is in the 9 in the tens place, okay? So it's referring to this 9 is blank the value of the 9 in the tenths place. So if I look at this 9 in the tenths place and I count up, that's 1, 2 spots higher. Well, here's the thing. When you have a number on a place value chart like this one, and I go from the tenths to the tens, I'm multiplying by 10. So that's 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is 10 to the second power. 100. So the 9 in the tens place is 100 times the value of the 9 in the tenths place. So make sure you use this to help you. Another thing that might help you is right here in Google Classroom. At the very top, it's a virtual place value chart. If you click on that, you can see it has numbers in it. You can delete those. We were using it for something for small group the other day. Anyways, I'm looking at the tenths and I'm looking at the tens. So tenths to ones is 10. Ones to tens is times 10. So not 10 plus 10 or 10 times 2, 10 times 10. 10 to the second power is 10 times 10. So that is 100 times more than the 10th place. So you can use that one as well. So once you've finished all of these, you are going to go back to Google Classroom. You're going to click, not that one. You're going to click View Assignment and turn it in. It is due by midnight on Monday, November 30th, and it is worth 16 points. Please make sure you get it completed. Thank you.